In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a second brain in Notion, a process that will enable you to organize your digital life in just 5 minutes. Notion is a powerful tool that allows you to have everything you need at your fingertips. Building a second brain will help you store and process information efficiently, manage projects, and keep track of your tasks more effectively. First things first, you'll need to log into your Notion account. If you don't have one yet, it's easy to get started by signing up for a free account on Notion's website. Once you're logged in, you'll want to create a new page. Think of this page as the foundation of your second brain. It's where everything will be housed and linked, so give it the attention it deserves. Now, let's move on to naming this page. You could call it Second Brain Dashboard to reflect its broad role of hosting different aspects of your digital life. This name will serve as a handy label, reminding you of its comprehensive purpose every time you see it. Inside your newly created dashboard, consider creating links or subpages dedicated to the core areas of your life and work. These might include areas such as projects, finances, health, or anything else crucial to your daily routine. Think about what you want quick access to and how you can best organize your information in a way that complements your lifestyle. Next comes the idea of capturing information. Create a page or database specifically designed for quickly jotting down ideas, whether they're work-related, personal insights, or even future goals. Having a dedicated space for these ideas ensures they won't get lost in the shuffle and that you'll have a reliable backlog of inspiration to draw from. To keep things structured, consider organizing your information by category or using the PARA method. PARA stands for Projects, Areas, Resources, and Archives. With this system, you can sort your information into clear sections, making it easy to locate and manage. Decide on a categorization method that resonates with you, and begin organizing your content accordingly. Finally, enhance your second brain with a calendar view to keep an eye on your tasks and projects. This step is crucial for visualizing timelines and deadlines, which will help you stay on top of your commitments and prioritize tasks more effectively. Integrating a calendar view into your dashboard gives you a comprehensive overview of what's on your plate, allowing you to allocate your time wisely. And there you have it. With these steps, you have successfully built a second brain in Notion. By following this process, you'll find it significantly easier to manage your digital life, ensuring you are organized, productive, and ready to tackle any challenge that comes your way. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Keep exploring and making the most out of your Notion.